Hey guys, it's Jessie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet. So I have my chain here. If you're not sure how to make a chain, be sure to check out my previous video on how to slip knot and chain stitch, and I can link that video here or in the description below. So for single crochet, we're going to want to crochet into the second chain from the hook. This first chain on the hook does not count. And if you can kind of tell, there's a little V right here. That's the first chain. And then we have a second V here. That's the second chain. And that's the chain that we're going to want to crochet into. So we're going to take our hook and we're going to put it into that chain. Put it through, and we're going to put it through 2 loops here. And then we're going to yarn over and pull our yarn through that. We'll end up with 2 chains on our hook, and we're going to yarn over again, and we're going to pull through those 2 loops. That's your first single crochet. So let's try that again. So right here we have another little V. That's our next little chain we're going to go into. So we want to put our hook into that. Yarn over, pull through our yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. We've got our second single crochet. So you want to keep crocheting all the way down to the end of your row. So now we have our first row of single crochet. When working a project, you're going to want to count the chains that you have in your row. So in order to do that, you can turn this to the side. And you're going to see all these little V's. Let's try and focus that. So each one is a stitch. So we can count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And in order to go to the next row of single crochet, we're going to want to make a chain, and that's called our turning chain. So we're going to then turn our work. We don't want to go into this first V here. We're going to want to go into the second one. We'll stick our crochet hook in there, and then you're going to want to yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And then we'll go into our next one. Yarn over, pull through 2. And you'll keep going along like that. And that is how you single crochet. I hope this video has been helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.